Yes, so my people, this now your girl sit talk and as a social life news for side PG News Network. Now they bring to the conference. So as I call say peace crime Mr. Medi. Don't come and talk about it and learn about the interview between Cynthia Morgan and Jude Okoye. After Cynthia Morgan just on Instagram page to talk about the big between she and Jude Okoye. She don't talk saying that Jude Okoye that make her career kick bucket. And so Jude Okoye second Instagram page with a popular blogger they call Tunde Edno. He can't talk to many story. He talk many things and this interview say can't even stay for almost 1 hour and about 26,000 people they haven't viewed the matter. People like Davido, Korede Bello, Paul Okoye, Toye Abraham, Peter Okoye, and some other people they will be say they view the matter. And so self Jude can't talk say many story that know. You will talk about it to be say concern Peter and Paul separation. As things can be, and so Kevin Filani News can't talk about some things they understand about the interview. The contest number 1, Jude talk saying try to make P Square to come back. He said no work. He said they wanted to make go apologize to the law Motayo. He said apologize. They make him write some tweet. He write some tweet. He said back tire. They don't come back. Now because I'm making leave them. Saying get work to do. And that they say contact again. He say in contact say he spent up to $10,000 for side Medi head. He even treat him as brother. He even give him swag. Carry him go America. He say even organize show. He say him and A concept still come to go even the rub shoulder. He say do so many things for him. He say no reach 2 weeks. He say they do the contract. And so Medi come talk say he want big car, he want house for Lekki, and he want be like P Square them. Now he come talk say that one no go work before you know it. And so Medi say come find a way. He come talk again say Peter and Paul. He say they party say they know they quarrel at all. Say they be correct party for life. He say as things be. He say Peter they vex with him. And then know the reason we say Peter the vex with him. He say don't ask Santana say what be the matter. Say Peter tell him say no worry, make him bone that side. And so he can't still leave the matter. As things can be, and so he can't come and talk say Cynthia Morgan contract. He say no write anything no. He say no write anything. He say now her manager say they call Tango. They write everything. He say you won't be say he go just sign wetin they write. He say don't do so many things for Cynthia Morgan. He say even buy her car, he even rent house for her, he even give her money to buy land for mama. He say don't spend over 40 million for Cynthia head. He say as things come be so, he say Cynthia Morgan say the contract say they even get together. Say the thing don't even expire before Cynthia find her way. Say and Cynthia dey free since 2017. Say she no fit come put blame for head say wetin dey happen to am say na im photo. He say he no even take her name because he no even get right to even take her name too. Meanwhile the thing come be na so Peter Okoye come chook mouth for the matter. Come talk about how this thing come begin support Cynthia Morgan. He even self because everybody talk say make Cynthia Morgan no worry. He say things go dey okay. He even encourage Cynthia Morgan and then Medi self say no worry. Say make dem trust in God. He say things go dey okay. Cynthia Morgan don talk say as things be now say she don lose everything. She don even dey inside depression self. As she come talk like that, say her party they come and talk say they come begin dey pity for her. The God has make she no worry. Say they go try to arrange some things for her to bring back her enjoyment. Peter Okoye come talk say the reason why we say he lived 3 years ago no be say because say he want fame or he want power. He just want his freedom back and na wetin make am wey be say he live. He say as things be so, he say the thing pain am say he ask Cynthia Morgan to even come follow am for side contract. Cynthia Morgan say no, say because say they don paint am black for her side. He don talk say as things be so, say make no worry. Say don't encourage them o. Say God go help them. Say the God wey say help them before, he go still help them again. This na your girl sit up and as social life news for side PG News Network. Now they bring to you the conference so.